Today I'm going to paint a jellyfish. We recently saw a jellyfish in our harbor and apparently a lot of them came to Bergen. So I felt very inspired to paint one of them. Hi friends, I'm Olga Koelsch, watercolor artist, teacher and a book author. Welcome to my studio. Although those jellyfishes, they were mostly pink, I suggest we add some glow for them. I will use my cerulean hue. Cobalt blue will also good. And with my brush, I begin to shape the hood. First of all, some round shape, very loose and relatively wet. And this is the hood. And underneath the hood, there is the head itself. For the head itself, I will pick one of my pinks, permanent red, a little bit creamier than the blue one. And now have fun. Just the creamier mix I'm adding into my watery mix, and that pushes away the blue part. With my clean and damp brush, I can remove slightly, distribute slightly the water in the hood, like this. And I load my thinner brush, just now with very diluted pink mix. I hold my brush at the top and create very watery what's in the middle called arms, what's around with electricity called tentacles. Oh, all jellyfish lovers probably hate me now for naming it incorrect. But what I'm doing now, I'm painting with the water and long brush strokes, just using what I have. I can drag out a little bit of blue or just use my blue mix around. I want the blue one be my supportive color, not the main color, so I add it only around, just with the brush, just with the tip of the brush. Can add a bit of glow here. And I would like to add more, so to say, arms in the middle, inside of my jellyfish. So I use my cadmium red, I mix it with pink. It will create more coral hue, and I paint a little bit more inside, a little bit more of bolder part, heavier part attached to the body. Add the movement, so I imagine my jellyfish flows up like this, and you know they are very flexible, moving around. Now I would like to add some accents, so I will take a bit of a creamier mix and add a couple of more defined brush strokes on the top. Same with pink, basically just from the pen. A bit more defined. That was a little bit too even for a jellyfish, so I go and dilute it. Now we can work a little bit on the head part. It's already somehow shaped this end of the hood. But if in your case it didn't work that, you can paint over one more layer again. I will grab my cerulean right from the pen. How my approach is that I use the current situation. So I see what happened on my watercolor, on my paper, and I just think, okay, I got this weird shape, how I can use it to make it looks like a jellyfish. Maybe add those folds, or those folds, for example. I still would like to add a little bit of glow inside, so I use my mix, which I use for the arms, and add it inside the hood. Watercolor will work it perfectly by itself. Now I want to add a couple of more precise brush strokes. I use my pink with the tip of the brush, starting right from the edge of the hood. Just go like this. One, another one. Can add a bit more of defined shape on the top. The paper is dry here. Basically, I'm improvising. It's very intuitive painting what I'm doing now. And sometimes it requires a little bit of braveness just to trust your watercolor. Of course, you can always go around, add some brush strokes on the top like this. This area is pretty wet. You can see how it all flows. If you want to have more precise brush strokes, you have to wait until all this is dry. But yes, I don't mind to play like this. Add a bit of moves around. What's important, if you paint on a wet surface, your watercolor should be pretty bold and creamy. You see, I grab it right from the pen, or if it's not convenient for you to paint right from the pen, you can create creamy mix on your plate, on your palette, and then paint over. So what I can say, that painting jellyfishes is super relaxing and in a way rewarding, because what you have to do is just add brush strokes, and you can use bright, juicy colors. Difficult to stop, to be fair, but yeah, maybe it's about time. And I just add a couple of super fine brush strokes, working just with the tip of the brush. So my jellyfish is ready, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for painting with me. I hope you enjoyed the process. I'm looking forward to see your feedback. What would you like to paint next? And see you soon. Bye bye.